You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase from Latin. It's a medical phrase. If you want to learn more medical terms that are confusing, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. From Latin, nil per os, Latin pronunciation, or NPO. It translates in English as nothing through the mouth. Nil per os. Nil per os. In English, the pronunciation is as nil per os. Nil per os. NPO. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.